Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. To turn Wi-Fi on or off on the iPhone, you have to do it from the iPhone's control center or settings. In today's video, I will show you a small shortcut settings through which you can turn Wi-Fi on and off with one click without going to the control center or settings of your iPhone. To do this shortcut, you will need a shortcut link. I will put the link in the pin section of my comment and also in the description of the video. After clicking on the shortcut link, a page like this will appear in the Safari browser. From here, click on Install Shortcut. Next, click on Add Shortcut. After clicking on Add Shortcut, we will see in our shortcut application that our shortcut has been created. Now click on the three dot. Click on Wi-Fi toggle. From here, you can rename the shortcut and also change the app icon. First, we will click on Rename. From here, I will delete Wi-Fi toggle and give only Wi-Fi. Click Done. Again click Wi-Fi. Click Choose icon. Click on search symbol and type Wi-Fi or WLAN. Select the Wi-Fi symbol. From here, you can change the app color. Then click Done in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the share icon. From here, click on Add to home screen. Click Add. The Wi-Fi app icon is created on the home screen. Let's see how it works. When we click on the Wi-Fi icon, the Wi-Fi will turn off and a shortcut notification will appear. And when we will click on the Wi-Fi icon again, a notification will appear and the Wi-Fi will turn on. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.